is up, friends? My name is Laura. If you've never visited my YouTube channel before, welcome. Getting my lovely bed head right now. Officially doing a 70.3 today, or at least attempting one. I'm gonna try to make this intro short and sweet so I can get on with it, but it's early morning, just out here walking my dog. So on my road to an Ironman. An Ironman is more than 70.3, double to be exact, and I'm doing that in 3 months. So I'm just kind of testing out what my body's up to, and I'm exactly doing like a course of 70.3 today and trying that out. I'm also kind of trying out my exact nutrition for race day. I'm gonna go upstairs right now, show you kind of my snacks for the day, get some breakfast, and then let's head out, and I will try to vlog you the entire terrible day. Let's go. Last night I laid out my swimming stuff here, my cap, my goggles, my running stuff as well, and then here are going to be my snacks that I go with throughout the running and the biking portion. I really like Nature Valley bars. They're just really delicious and easy. The baby food I'll talk about later, but they have about 70 calories. A lot of them have 90 calories as well, but I just find them super easy. I also will have a Gatorade on my bike. Alright, just got to the gym where I do my swimming. They do not allow filming in there at all, but I will give you an update on my way out, on my way to the bike, which is currently in my car and ready to be set up, and I go. Alright, let's do this. 36.5 minutes, super happy with that first leg. Just switching now, and then I'm gonna go get on my bike. I'm actually gonna pound like half a Gatorade right now and one little baby food, so around 150 to 200 calories. Okay, I'm off. All right, let's see if I can give you a quick update. Feeling good. The first 6 miles, so 10K, it was like 8 a.m. or whatever, going to work traffic, so it's a lot more start and stop than obviously like a normal sanctioned event, but I just made it to 11 miles, and this is like the most lights I'm at a light now on my ride, so for like 10 miles each way. Soon it goes pretty flat, so hopefully make up some speed there. Something you might not know about me is I try exactly like, you know, in safety every 10 miles to grab a little baby pouch of food. So quick, like 100 or whatever calories, and that's just easy to have while I'm riding. So I'm gonna have that. Can't film that at the same time for safety purposes, but I'm gonna have that and then continue. I'm about 8-ish miles from where I'll do like a refill for my water, so that's going to be my only time getting off the bike, hopefully, and then continue. So right now is kind of my easy part of my ride. I'm really happy with like my pace and stuff. I'm feeling really good. It's also like just a beautiful day, and that was one of the reasons why I chose today. It's like clearly sunny out, as you can see, but it's like 52 degrees if that, so it's nice and crisp. Great riding weather. At my water, so I figured this was a good easy time to talk. I always kind of stop at the same place normally on my rides. It's just outside of church, and they have good bathrooms too. One moment. Okay, I only have 20 miles remaining, which basically takes me home, so I can transition into running. Feeling really good. About to have an energy gel, which will be my first one today. I think mentally I'm just trying not to get like too ahead of myself, that I have that long run. And then just an FYI, at the end I definitely will do like a full recap of everything, how I'm feeling, but also what I kind of learned for moving forward into a full Ironman. But anyways, let's go. Just got back. 3 hours and 37 minutes, which I'm really happy about. Right on pace for my goals. Take my bike up to the 3rd floor where I live, and then I will give you more of an update once I start running here. A little easier than carrying a bike. Great, quickly peed. Got in some calories, nothing crazy, but put some more calories, well, not in my boobs, in the little pouches here. This was already filled. Grab some more Gatorade. I think I know what route I want to do in my head. Still nice weather. Oh, and I changed, which I had that all laid out. And these pants I've liked for running, so. Okay, starting at mile 0, 13.1, here I come. Since I'm on my trail, just go straight down to eat this. More baby food, shocker. I don't know how to start. Yeah, biking was great. I'm really used to like that ride, that area, that elevation. 56 miles is nothing, you know, to scoff at, but at the same time, I've been doing like 80 miles once a week, so that's nothing crazy. And then I'm fairly used to once a week doing 42-mile bike straight into this run, but only doing it 5 miles. So that's part of the reason why today's such a test, but I feel like I've been really good on like my nutrition and water. My hand's honestly getting tired right now holding this up, but I'm at around mile 3. Feeling good. I'm happy with how I feel. I mean, you're never gonna feel great, but I'm happy with how I feel right now. Four miles in, 2.5 miles left. Sorry. And I just hit the 6 hour mark from officially when I started. And I'm just trying to get like, I'm trying to keep like have my splits, but know exactly how long each is taking, including transitions, since that's like what'll be on Ironman day. But I mean, I think I'll finish around the 6.5 hour mark. Brain fog right now. Yeah, my back is definitely still aching more, but I'm excited that I'm feeling so good. 1/4 mile left. I feel like terrible now. 1/4 mile left though. I did it. I did it. I'm so excited. I'm back. That was actually in 2 hours and 7 minutes. Grand total of 6 hours and 34 minutes, including everything. I'll do an overview after I stretch and eat a lot. Hello friends. It is the next day. I was exhausted last night, I'm sure, as you can imagine. I went out, I'll insert a picture, for deep dish pizza. So good. I feel surprisingly decent today, definitely like fatigued, but I'm really not sore. I think those like longer bike rides definitely have given me like the muscle mass to be doing something like a 70.3. But with my Ironman officially being 90 days out, it's just given me a bit more confidence knowing, okay, I did a 70.3. I didn't feel like horrific. I definitely was tired, but didn't feel horrific. So that was just good for confidence moving forward. I did show that I was eating some of those like Nature Valley in general. Like those are just weirdly good if you've ever tried like the nut and like sweet and salty one. I will say, once I was on the running portion, that just didn't go down very easily. I think that's why my idea for baby food, and that's why really when you're doing those courses, it's a lot more of like liquids. So moving forward, I'm more just going to, I think, cut up kind of just some, either some oranges or just some banana. Sorry about the background truck there, but just like some little banana chunks, just as put in my mouth, and I find those a little bit more liquidy. Just went by the grocery store and into like a Safeway, and they had this here, and I just find this like the exact same idea as baby food, but it has 110 calories, whereas mine were ranging anywhere from 70, most of them were 90 calories. So it is a few more calories, has more protein. I always like a banana strawberry if you haven't noticed. So I'm gonna give those a try, so stay tuned for like more videos like this. And I know I've been a lot more silent on YouTube than usual, but honestly, it's just hard to vlog or really talk about it, my Ironman training. And I've just kind of been putting my head down and working really, really hard at it, honestly. Obviously, for me to be able to get to that 70.3 yesterday, and kind of just, I definitely was a runner if you've seen previous videos, and definitely a hiker, but to get to that point in, you know, just like 3.5 months, I'm super proud of myself. I think that my goal will be to go around the pace that I was yesterday. I think my swimming pace is pretty good. My transition was good. One of the things that I realize is I've never gone to the bathroom in my bike shorts. I have 2 different pairs. I like the ones that I used yesterday better, but they were one of those ones that they like have the shorts and then they come up here. So that would be like really difficult to pee in, go to the bathroom. So I definitely will not use those on Ironman day, because I definitely will have to stop over the 112-mile cycling course. So did use I mean, it's a lot colder here than I think it will be on the Ironman day, so hopefully I'll be able to wear shorts, but I definitely chose like my outfit based on, I know it like has the least amount of chafing and all of that fun stuff. Also, I mean, I swam in a pool, as you were able to see. It's pretty cold for the ocean, but I am planning on doing some swimming and some ocean swims coming up in the next month while I'm on vacation. If you do have any questions for me about my 70.3 experience, obviously this was not a sanctioned event. I literally, either I feel like if you want to save money or you just want to, you know, create a goal for yourself of the 70.3, it's totally doable to be like, I'm going to do it on such and such date. I wanted to do it sometime in this week time frame, and Wednesday was just going to be the best weather, and that's when I just set out to do it. But obviously it was just around right now, and that's something that you totally can do too. A lot of the training plans that I did see for a full Ironman included doing a 70.3 as a test try. If you did like this video and want to quickly give me the littlest bit of support for doing a good job on it, quickly give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to comment, congratulations, Laura, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Keep living life. Bye.